Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between stored procedure and function in SQL. So let's start. So the first difference is stored procedure is used for operation like insert, update and delete etc. Whereas function is mainly used for computation and it returns a single value or scalar value or as a table. In case of the stored procedure can return 0, 1 or multiple values, whereas function must return a single value, either scalar or table. In case of the stored procedure cannot be directly used inside the SQL statement like select, whereas the function can be used in SQL statements like select and where, etc. The stored procedure supports input, output, and in-out parameters, whereas functions only support input parameters. The stored procedure can manage transactions, whereas functions cannot manage transactions. The next difference is stored procedure can modify the database state, whereas the function cannot modify the database state as they have the read-only access. The next difference is stored procedure can return multiple result sets using select statement, whereas function cannot return multiple result sets. The next difference is stored procedure can use exception handling using try and catch block, whereas function have limited or no support for exception handling. The next difference is stored procedure are compiled and they are stored in a database, whereas functions are also compiled and stored but typically smaller. The next difference is stored procedure generally used for larger operations, whereas functions generally used for computation and reusable expressions. Stored procedure can call functions and other procedures, whereas function can call other function but not stored procedures. And the last difference is stored procedure cannot be called from within a trigger, whereas function can be called within a trigger. So these are some basic differences between stored procedure and function in SQL. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.